This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by John King. Stunning home that has been meticulously updated, renovated and maintained. This home has the highest quality features and updates that you will find, to include new windows, new heating and air systems, open floor plan with new kitchen and appliances, new real hardwood flooring. New first-level owner's suite with huge walk-in closet, coffee bar, laundry room and spa-like ensuite. The outside features brand new driveways, new detached workshop with loft, above-ground pool and huge entertainment deck. No shortcut or spared expenses here. Avoid disappointment and future regret by booking your tour and writing your offer today. For more information, review the details below.